Ka-Wais, give me 1 minute, and I'll show you the easiest way to save money on hair care. Are you tired of expensive hair treatments and products? Well, I have a smart and budget-friendly solution for you. We all want healthy, luscious hair, but costly hair care products can strain our wallets. Those expensive bottles just keep piling up in your bathroom, right? And let's not forget about salon treatments. They can cost you a fortune. But fear not, Ka-Wais. There's a better way. Say goodbye to pricey hair care and embrace eco-friendly alternatives. You can use everyday raw foods and oils to treat your hair naturally and effectively. Take coconut milk for deep conditioning, aloe vera for revitalizing your hair and scalp, and olive oil for detangling thicker, coarser hair textures. These pantry staples will leave your hair looking gorgeous without breaking the bank. So, Ka-Wais, save your pesos and start giving your hair the love it deserves, the affordable and natural way. Stay wise and beautiful.